guys, welcome to another vlog. So for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing to you my other pasta recipe. This is also part of my post-workout meal. So today I'm gonna be making penne with meatballs. So I have here the ingredients. So this is whole wheat penne, and then the meatballs I got here with some pasta water, onion, tomatoes, garlic, and parsley. I also have coconut oil, butter, shredded cheese, and then pasta sauce. I have here 3 cheese, chunky tomatoes, and then paprika and pepper. So let's start. My finished product, guys. Look at that, so yummy. So I top with parsley alone because I already put a lot of cheese while I'm cooking it. So let's dig in.